Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you contact Airtel customer care. Airtel, the service provider, internet service provider. So how can you contact directly to Airtel if you are facing any problem on Airtel's network or on Airtel's mobile applications? So how can you do that? You just have to go basically on Google Chrome at your mobile phone presently here. So this is Google Chrome and I will just type, wait a second, I will type Airtel customer care here, and the first option like www.airtel.in. When you click it, you can see there are a lot of option here to email, to call, or many of here. So I will just click on ask us now option here. When you click on it, you will find an application, or yes, so it can be done by application or directly you can call on Twitter's mobile number 121. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel if you liked.